Hey guys, Derek here with EZ LYNK. Today we've got a feature in our ELD app that we're going to talk to you about. This is on our electronic logging device side of the company. We're going to show you what it looks like. So right now we've got our Auto Agent 3 plugged in. We are connected to our Auto Agent. We're going to go into the ELD app here. So first thing you're going to see is the dashboard. This is going to have your drive time, your cycle time, your shift, and when you need to take your break. On the top left hand side, on the three lines, we're going to hit that, and we're going to go under roadside inspection. So this is going to be for when you're getting inspected by the DOT officers. They want to see your logs, they want you to send their logs. It's a pretty simple and easy feature in our app to do that. You can do it in two ways. You can do the on-screen inspection, where this will have your prior 7 days of logs. You can go in and see, like we're not driving right now, so we're off duty, but this will show your prior 7 days, and then you can also see your unidentified logs. So we don't have any there. We'll go back, and then if the DOT officer wants you to send them their logs, there's two ways. You can do it with a web service with a routing code, or you can send it with an email. So pretty simple to get the DOT officers your logs, whatever they need. Try to make it easy. We know those times are tough, they can be stressful, but we're here to make it easy for you guys. So hopefully you learn a little bit about our ELD system a little bit more. Stay tuned for the next one, guys. Thanks.